Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to create a curly bracket in Inkscape. There is one simple method that I use always. So first we need to do is go to the left upper corner and click on View. After that we go to Page Grid and turn on this option. Then we need to create a new path, so I click on Pen tool and I will zoom in this page to make it easier. After that we need to select 3 points. I click here, then I click somewhere here, and then I click somewhere here. Now we need to click Selector tool and go to Object and Fill and Stroke. Here you need to go to Fill and change color to white. Now I recommend you to go to Stroke Style, and on Width settings I will type 1 and press Enter. Then I go to the left panel and select here Node tool. After that you need to click on the upper node, press and hold Shift from your keyboard and move this node to the left side. Maybe something like that. Now you need to repeat this process with the lower node. So I click on this node and I press and hold Shift and change position to the left. Okay, after that we need to click on middle node. Then we need to press and hold Shift and change position somewhere here. Now we need to press and hold Shift again and change position of node here. Okay, and now we need to click Selector tool and our bracket has been successfully created here. Of course you can use it in your projects. Remember that you can always flip this bracket if you need it by clicking on this option, Object Flip Horizontal. It depends on your preferences, so it is how it works. And that's everything in this video. If I helped you to create a bracket in Inkscape, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work. And that's all, thank you for watching.